Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best wet and dry vacuum cleaners of 2026, buyer's guide and comparison. I've tested each model to see which ones deliver the most powerful suction, versatile cleaning, and reliable performance for both wet spills and dry debris. Whether you're tackling tough home messes, garage dirt, or workshop cleanup, this guide will help you find the perfect vacuum to make your cleaning faster and easier. Stick around as we break down the top picks and help you choose the best one for your. On number 1 is the Tineco Floor One S7 Flash Dry is a smart cordless wet-dry vacuum that combines strong vacuuming with wet floor cleaning in one versatile unit. Its intelligent sensor tech automatically adjusts suction and water flow based on debris and surface conditions, keeping performance efficient across hard floors and sealed surfaces. The Flash Dry self-cleaning system rinses and dries the brush roll after use, reducing manual maintenance and preventing lingering odors. In real-world use it handles dust, spills, sticky messes, and light stains well, outperforming traditional mops and dry-only vacuums for everyday floor care. Battery life is solid for a hybrid, letting you clean large rooms without frequent recharging. Pros: combined wet plus dry cleaning, smart auto adjustment, self-cleaning brush roll, cordless convenience, and effective on multiple surfaces. Pros: easy to use with minimal manual maintenance. Cons: bulkier and heavier than standard stick vacuums, which can be tiring in long sessions. Cons: higher price point than simple vacuums or mops. Cons: not ideal for deep carpet cleaning compared with dedicated uprights. Cons: water tanks need regular refill/empty cycles. Cons: splash/wet cleaning still requires occasional manual edge work. Overall, it's a strong all-in-one choice for busy homes needing efficient everyday cleaning with minimal effort, though not perfect if you only want basic dry vacuuming. On number 2 is the Roborock Flexi Pro Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a premium cordless hybrid that combines strong 17,000 pascal suction with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, making it excellent for tiles and hard floors. Its hot water self-cleaning and hot air drying system keeps the mop pads cleaner and reduces manual maintenance after use. The flat reach and edge-to-edge cleaning design helps it reach baseboards and furniture edges more effectively than many competitors. In real-world use it handles dust, debris, spills, and light stains with fewer passes, making daily floor care faster and more thorough. Pros: very powerful suction for a cordless unit, integrated wet plus dry cleaning, self-cleaning/washing with hot water, excellent edge coverage, and cordless convenience. Pros: ideal for homes with kids, pets, and frequent messes. Cons: bulkier and heavier than basic stick vacuums, which can be tiring over long sessions. Cons: higher price point than simple vacuum or mop combos. Cons: water/solution still requires some manual edge attention in tight spots. Cons: not designed for deep carpet cleaning like dedicated uprights. Cons: setup and storage take more space than a regular vacuum. Overall, it's a very capable all-in-one cleaner for hard floors and mixed messes, but overkill if you only want basic dry vacuuming or minimal maintenance. On number 3 is the Tineco Floor One S7 Stretch is a wet plus dry cordless vacuum and mop combo that cleans floors in one pass, lifting dust, crumbs, and light spills with its 20 kPa powerful suction and water spray system. Its 180 degrees lay-flat design lets you reach under furniture and low obstacles with ease, improving overall floor coverage. The anti-tangle brush helps prevent hair wrap, making it more pet-friendly for homes with shedding animals. Dual-sided edge cleaning increases pickup along baseboards and tight corners compared with many stick vacuums. In real-world use it feels agile and effective on hard floors and sealed surfaces, cutting down separate vacuum then mop steps. Pros: strong wet plus dry performance, 180 degrees lay-flat reach, anti-tangle brush, dual-side edge cleaning, and cordless convenience. Pros: good everyday cleaning for kitchens, living areas, and spills. Cons: runtime, 30-minute, is adequate but lower than some premium cordless sticks, limiting larger jobs without recharge. Cons: bulkier and a bit heavier than simple upright vacuums. Cons: not ideal for deep carpet cleaning compared with dedicated dry vacuums. Cons: water tanks and brush require regular cleanup and drying. Cons: higher price than basic dry vacuums/mops. Overall, it's a solid all-in-one floor cleaner for busy homes with mostly hard floors and mixed messes, though not perfect if you only need simple dry vacuuming or long runtime. On number 4 is the Dyson V15S Detect Submarine is a premium wet-dry stick vacuum that combines strong Dyson suction with advanced cleaning technologies for both dry debris and light wet spills. Its Detect laser/illumination highlights hidden dust on hard floors, helping reveal and remove fine particles you might otherwise miss. The vacuum transitions from dry to wet cleaning with smart water dispersion and suction that lifts up crumbs, liquid spills, and sticky messes in one pass. In real-world use it feels well-balanced and ergonomic, with intuitive controls and smooth maneuverability across tile, hardwood, and low-pile carpets. Pros: excellent suction power, laser dust detection for thorough cleaning, versatile wet plus dry capability, cordless convenience, and strong performance on multiple surfaces. Pros: great for homes with kids, pets, and mixed messes. Cons: premium price point compared with basic vacuums or wet/dry hybrids. Cons: runtime can be modest on highest modes, limiting larger jobs without recharge. Cons: bulkier and heavier than simple cordless sticks, which may lead to fatigue in long sessions. Cons: water tank and brush assemblies require regular cleaning after wet use. Cons: not ideal for deep carpet cleaning like dedicated uprights. Overall, it's a versatile, high-end all-in-one cleaner that excels at everyday debris and light wet messes, though overkill if you only need basic dry vacuuming. On number 5 the Shark AW302 Hydrovac Pro XL is a 3-in-1 cordless wet/dry vacuum and mop designed to handle everyday dirt, spills, and sticky messes across hardwood, tile, and area rugs in one pass. Its dual brush rolls help agitate and lift debris while the mop function adds water/solution for deeper floor cleaning. The self-cleaning system automatically rinses the brush roll and internal pathways to reduce manual maintenance and residue buildup. In real-world use it feels versatile and capable, cutting down the need for separate mop and vacuum tools. Pros: 3-in-1 wet/dry cleaning in one machine, dual brush rolls for effective pickup, self-cleaning system, cordless convenience, and good performance on mixed floor types. Pros: ideal for homes with kids, pets, and frequent spills. Cons: runtime is moderate compared with dry-only cordless vacuums, limiting long jobs without recharge. Cons: bulkier and heavier than standard stick vacuums, which can be tiring in long sessions. Cons: water/solution tanks need regular empty/refill cycles. Cons: mop function is great for maintenance but not a substitute for heavy scrubbing. Cons: higher price than basic dry vacuum/mop combos. Overall, it's a strong all-in-one cleaning solution for busy households with varied floor types, though not ideal if you only need simple dry vacuuming or a lightweight stick.